Gail, Kohli, AB or Dhawan? Which pair have the most partnership runs in IPL history? Let's visualize and find out in today's video. Gautam Gambhir and Shikhar Dhawan, while playing for the Delhi Daredevils, scored the first century partnership in the IPL history against the Rajasthan Royals. And by the end of the season, Delhi's other pair of Gambhir and Sehwag reached the top spot of partnership runs. Adam Gilchrist and Herschel Gibbs from the Deccan Chargers dethroned Gambhir and Sehwag from the top spot by the end of 2009. Next year, Gambhir and Sehwag again reclaimed their top position. In the year 2011, their pair was broken as Gambhir was bought by KKR in the auction. Also, the pair of Gilchrist and Gibbs was broken as Gilchrist was bought by Punjab. The same year, Gilchrist and Shaun Marsh, while playing for the Kings XI Punjab, scored the first 200+ runs partnership in IPL history. In 2012, Dhoni and Raina surpassed Sachin and Jayasuriya to reach the third position. Gail and Kohli started moving up rapidly as they kept on causing havoc on the opposition, and by the end of 2012, they reached the top spot and also became the first pair to cross 1000 partnership runs. In the year 2013, the pair of Michael Hussey and Murli Vijay also crossed the 1000 partnership runs and reached the second position. For a brief moment, they held the top spot before it was again reclaimed by Kohli and Gail. The pair of Hussey and Raina, along with the pair of Dravid and Rahane, also crossed the 1000 partnership runs. By the year 2015, Gail and Kohli became the first pair to cross 2000 partnership runs. In 2016, Virat and De Villiers scored the highest partnership in an innings against the Gujarat Lions, scoring 229 runs. They also reached the second spot in the overall partnership runs. AB and Virat became the second pair to reach 2000+ partnership runs. By the year 2017, Dhawan and Warner crossed the 2000+ mark and they dethroned AB and Virat from the second position. In 2018, the pair of Gail and Kohli was broken as Gail was bought by Punjab in the auction. In the year 2019, the pair of Dhawan and Warner was broken as Dhawan was bought by Delhi. AB and Virat kept on piling runs for RCB, and in doing so, they reached the top spot. Virat Kohli is the only player to be involved in 3 200+ partnerships, 2 with AB and 1 with Gail. Virat and AB also have the most 10-century partnerships. By the year 2020, they became the first and only pair in the IPL history to cross 3000 partnership runs. In the year 2021, while playing for the Punjab Kings, the duo of KL Rahul and Mayank Agarwal started moving up rapidly and reached the 5th spot. So at the end of the league stages of IPL 2021, Virat and AB are still at the top, followed by the pair of Gail and Virat. Warner and Dhawan are at the third position. So that brings an end to this video. Hope you like it. And for more such cricket stats and insights, subscribe to Think Stats.